Hey everyone, welcome to Book Summerics, the channel where we break down the best books to help you grow, learn, and succeed. Today, we're diving into The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins, a must-read for anyone who wants to achieve financial independence and live life on their own terms. This book isn't just about getting rich. It's about having the freedom to live life without money stress. And the best part? The strategy is so simple that anyone can do it. If you want to retire early, escape the 9-to-5 grind, or just stop worrying about money, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to financial freedom. Let's get started. Chapter 1. The Power of FU Money. What if you never had to worry about money again? What if you could walk away from a bad job, take a year off, or travel the world without stressing over your bank account? This is what FU Money is all about. FU Money means having enough savings and investments that you don't have to work if you don't want to. Why is this important? If you hate your job, you can quit. If your boss treats you badly, you don't have to put up with it. If you want more time with family, you can take it. Money equals freedom. Not because it lets you buy things, but because it lets you make choices based on what you want, not what you have to do for a paycheck. Lesson. Start saving and investing now. The sooner you have FU money, the sooner you have control over your life. Chapter 2. Avoid debt like the plague. Collins makes one thing very clear. Debt is the #1 enemy of financial independence. The more debt you have, the more you're stuck working just to make payments. Bad debt versus good debt. Bad debt, credit card debt, car loans, personal loans, high interest and unnecessary. Good debt, a mortgage, as long as it's affordable, student loans, only if they lead to higher income. Solution: avoid taking on new debt. Pay off existing debt as quickly as possible. Never buy things you can't afford to pay in full. Once you're debt-free, your money works for you instead of creditors. Chapter 3. The Simple Path to Wealth. Where to invest. The stock market can seem confusing, but J.L. Collins simplifies it into one investment strategy. Invest in VTSAX, Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund. Why? It's diversified. You own a small piece of every major U.S. company. It's low cost, no expensive management fees. It's passive. You don't have to pick stocks, time the market, or worry about anything. History shows that the stock market grows over time, averaging 7 to 10% yearly returns. The strategy is simple. Invest regularly, every paycheck. Don't panic when the market drops. Stay invested for the long run. The longer you invest, the wealthier you become. Chapter 4. Why stock picking and market timing are a waste of time. Many people think they can beat the market by picking stocks or timing the market. J.L. Collins disagrees. The truth is, even professional investors fail at stock picking 80% of the time. Trying to time the market is like guessing when lightning will strike. Impossible. Instead of trying to outsmart the market, Collins says, just buy and hold VTSAX. Even when the market crashes, stay invested. The market always recovers. Lesson. The key to wealth is consistency, patience, and discipline. Chapter 5. How much do you need to retire? The 4% rule. Many people ask, how much money do I need to be financially independent? Collins uses the 4% rule to answer this. The 4% rule. You can safely withdraw 4% per year from your investments without running out of money. To retire, you need 25 times your annual expenses. Example: if you spend $40,000 per year, you need $1 million in investments. If you spend $60,000 per year, you need $1.5 million. Once you reach your number, you're financially free. Chapter 6. How to Invest for Retirement. J. L. Collins recommends using tax-advantaged accounts to grow your wealth faster. Best investment accounts: 401k or 403b, employer-sponsored retirement accounts, free money if there's a match. IRA, traditional or Roth, extra tax savings for retirement. HSA, health savings account, the most tax-efficient investment option if available. The key is to max out these accounts as much as possible while investing in index funds. Chapter 7. How to Handle a Market Crash. What happens if the stock market crashes? Most people panic and sell their investments. Big mistake. Collins' advice. Market crashes are normal. They happen every few years. Don't sell. The only way you lose money is if you sell during a downturn. Keep buying. When stocks are cheap, it's actually a great time to invest more. The stock market always recovers and continues to grow over time. Lesson. Stay calm, stay invested, and trust the process. Final thoughts and my personal opinion. Is The Simple Path to Wealth worth reading? Yes. This book is a must-read for anyone who wants financial freedom without stress. Pros: simple and easy to understand. A clear step-by-step roadmap to wealth. Encourages a long-term mindset. Cons: some people might want more investment options. It focuses almost entirely on index funds. Doesn't cover real estate investing for those interested in alternative wealth-building strategies. Final verdict: 9.5 out of 10. A life-changing book that teaches financial freedom in the simplest way possible. Want more book summaries like this? Like and subscribe to Book Summerix. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest money lesson? See you in the next video.